Hey everyone, so today I have yet another unboxing video for you guys, and today it's gonna be the unboxing video of the new Huawei P30 Pro. So I got these two phones, one for me and one for my partner recently. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. So letting you guys inform, this is just gonna be an unboxing video and a review, and the photo samples of these phones will be coming soon. So this is just a quick rundown of what you get in the box and how the color looks in person. So I hope this video helps you guys. So going ahead, let's go and unbox it. So inside the box you will find the phone, of course. So that's the breathing crystal variant that I got, and in person it just looks so stunning. As you can see guys, I don't know if you can tell by the picture, but it is simply gorgeous. So keeping this phone aside and having a look at the box, you can find the SIM ejection tool, the plastic TPU case for your phone, some paperwork, and you got your fast charger, your headphone jack, and your data cable. So let's go ahead and boot up this phone. So the boot speed also quite fast as well. Obviously it's a flagship phone. So I'll go ahead and set up the phone, guys. So this was just a quick rundown and the unboxing of the Huawei P30 Pro. So stay tuned if you wanna have a review, my personal review on the phone, and I'll be posting it shortly after I use this phone for a while. And as always, thanks for watching guys, and make sure you stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and thanks for your support. Bye.